Is there vulnerability in dependence? Well, let's find out. Hi, my name's Dave, and welcome to my daily journey through the Daily Stoic. 366 meditations on wisdom, perseverance, and the art of living by Ryan Holiday and Stephen Hasselman. If you enjoy Stoic content and self-improvement, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today is September 25th. The vulnerability of dependence. Show me someone who isn't a slave. One is a slave to lust, another to greed, another to power. And all are slaves to fear. I could name a former consul who is a slave to a little old woman, a millionaire who is a slave of the cleaning woman. No servitude is more abject than the self-imposed. SENECA, Moral Letters 47:17. We're all addicts in one way or another. We're addicted to our routines, to our coffee, to our comfort, or someone else's approval. These dependencies mean we're not in control of our own lives. The dependency is. Anyone who truly wants to be free, Epictetus said, won't desire something that isn't actually in someone else's control, unless you want to be a slave. The subjects of our affection can be removed from us at a moment's notice. Our routines can be disrupted, the doctor can forbid us from drinking coffee, and we can be thrust into uncomfortable situations. This is why we must strengthen ourselves by testing these dependencies before they become too great. Can you try going without this for a day? Can you put yourself on a diet for a month? Can you resist the urge to pick up the phone and make that call? Have you ever taken a cold shower? It's not so bad after the first couple of times. Have you ever driven a friend's car while the nicer one you own is in the shop? Was it really that bad? Make yourself invulnerable to your dependencies on comfort and convenience. For one day, your vulnerability might bring you to your knees. Yeah, I've heard this about addiction. If you've got to control something, that's probably out of control. And so it's recognizing, I think what this reading's talking about is recognizing what you can control and not control. And what kind of has power over you. Like a job or something else. So that if you lose it, what do you do in those circumstances? Recognizing what you find in your own power and recognizing what are the things that you're dependent on. And how dependent are you on those that if you were suddenly able to, if those went away, would you still be able to function? Would you still be able to survive and thrive? How much are you dependent upon these other things? You know, some parts of this, some things in this world, we have to be dependent upon others to help us get through. But how much are we relying on the dependence? And how much do we have that independence to make our own choices? Are we addiction really comes down to when you put your power into something else and you let that control your decisions. And for a Stoic, it's about recognizing how much of that power are you willing to give away. And if you give it away too much, then you forms into addiction and obsession. And then your choices and your logic and reason is now skewed towards that. So learning how to take that back means recognizing can I do without it? Do I still have the power of choice? Power of choice is such a powerful thing that we really forget about how much choice we give away to the coffee, to the addictions, to the other things. And only when we have a sense to take that back and recognize what's inside our control and outside our control. Like I said, there are things in this world we have to kind of depend on. But it doesn't mean that we have to give it all our dependence. That's when we become vulnerable, because it can go away. Because we've given our power to someone else. It's learning to take control of what we can control, what's within inside of us. And that's our values, our morals, our beliefs, our actions, our choices. And it's only when we give that away do we lose that. So it's learning how to take that back. At least that's what I get out of the reading. I'd love to know what your thoughts are in the comments below. That's all I got for this one. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. And have a great, if not better day.